Hello students, this is the second video of the chapter The Vedic Civilization. In the previous video we have studied about early Vedic age and today we will study about the later Vedic age. This period is between 1000 BCE to 600 BCE and it is during this period only that the Aryans they moved towards Kurukshetra and they started settling in areas around Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and western Uttar Pradesh. Now let's start with political setup. In the early Vedic age, the people lived in small tribal society. But now those small kingdoms came into existence. And Rajan, he was no longer a tribal chief, but he became the king. He was assisted by a Purohita, Senani, Gramini and Amatyas. He also took the titles such as Samrat or Adhiraja. So here the king became very powerful. Now we'll talk about the later Vedic age society. Caste system became very rigid and Kshatriyas and Brahmins became the ruling classes and Vaishyas and Shudras became the ruled classes. And the Aryans had their lives divided in 4 ashrams. And these 4 ashrams were Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. In Brahmacharya, the child was sent to the teacher's ashram to gain knowledge and he would live with the Guru's family in the Gurukul. Then in Grihastha, he would get married and he would raise a family. The third ashram was Vanaprastha, in which he left his family life and he went to forest to meditate. And the last one was Sannyasa, in which he gave up all the worldly things and he moved from one place to another, spreading good values of life. Have a look at this picture. It is a scene of a Gurukul in which the Guru is imparting knowledge to the Shishyas. And these Shishyas helped Guru in the household work. And when they completed their education, they gave Guru Dakshina or fees to the Guru. Now let's talk about the religion and literature. The main god worshipped in the later Vedic age was the Triumvirate, means Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver and protector, and Shiva, the destroyer. So they were the main gods worshipped in the later Vedic age. The Aryans also brought Sanskrit, a new language, and the books were written in Sanskrit. Various books were written which gave information about the society. Some of the books were Samaveda or the book of music, the Yajurveda, the book of sacrifice, the Atharvaveda, the book of magic and spells, the Brahmanas, the Aranyakas, the Upanishads, Ramayana and Mahabharata. These 2 are great Indian epics. They were also written in the later Vedic age. This is a picture from Ramayana and this is a picture from Mahabharata, which was also a great epic written in the later Vedic age. So I hope the chapter is clear to you children. Please read the chapter carefully once again. Thank you.